Hey cookie lovers, today we're going to go over how to outline and flood a cookie. Check out part 1 where I talk about different consistencies and how to make those consistencies for decorating. Now once I have all my icing bags made, I'm going to wet a paper towel and you can place it in a cup. I have it in this little container, but I don't want my tips to dry out because then the icing is going to be all hard at the end of it. So you can put it in a cup or a container, whatever you want, with a wet paper towel. So first I'm going to use my outline consistency, which is going to create a border on the cookie, and I'm just going to go around the cookie. Then I'm going to use my flood icing and it's going to move all over the cookie. Now sometimes you may see bubbles underneath your icing. You just need to take your scribe and pop those. The next consistency I'm going to show you all is the outline flood consistency. So this one is a combo where you can outline and flood the cookie the same bag. And this is what I love to use all the time. Now don't worry, if you mess up your cookie, all you have to do is take your little boo-boo stick or whatever you have, scrape off the icing, and start over. And sometimes you may find yourself having to scrape off the whole cookie after you flooded it. It just happens, so don't get discouraged. So let me know if you guys try this or if you have any questions. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out part 1 if you haven't.